Other issue, nag-participate kayo actively dun sa investigation ng Committee on Foreign Relations tungkol sa pag-aresto kay former President Duterte. Are you convinced dun sa findings na it is politically motivated, and then dun sa recommendation na imbestigahan ng ombudsman ng ilang executive officials including DOJ Secretary, DILG Secretary, and others?
Honestly, I'm still reviewing. Media reports pa lang, hindi ko pa nakikita yung report. May sarili ako mga observation, but as I told you, I want to remain independent in the sense na tama-tama, mali-mali, and not partisan. But ang main focus at concern ko ngayon is maging malinaw na kahit sinong Pilipino, yan man ay nasa progressive group na kaliwa, yan man ay nasa kanan, katulad nila Senator Bato, ay hindi pwedeng basta pick upin at i-export. Kasi mag-export ka nga ng goods sa Pilipinas, may permit ka pa eh. May dadaanan ka pa eh. Pero ang Pilipino, pag in-export mo, pwedeng ganun na lang. Yun ang main concern ko. Kung magkaka-consensus, yung sinasabi kasing hintayin natin Supreme Court, yes, in far as that is the law. But the government can make a policy decision. The executive can say na, from now on, pag any international group ay gusto nilang padala sa kanilang bansa, ay kailangan dumaan muna sa local court, i-validate yung warrant, tignan kung may probable cause, kung crime dito din yung crime na sinasabi nila. Yun ang mas focus ko ngayon. But give me a few days to read the report and to look into all of it. I mean, I made my views naman known. I just want to be more judicious sa words ko. And but you know naman how I feel. But it's not a matter of how I feel. It's really about himayin nga yung batas. And personally sa akin, yun nag-udyok sa akin magsalita eh. Nung nakita kong nasa airplano at hindi pa nagte-take off yung airplano, I was hoping that if enough of us spoke, mahimasmasan yung gobyerno na hindi mo pwedeng i-export ang Pilipino. Isakay doon at kailangan may chance siyang pumunta ng korte. So right now, yun ang focus ko kasi katulad ni dating Senator De Lima, di ba, pagka may kaaway, yung sinasabi lang, Bato, dapat kasama ka dyan. Alan, kadibati, dapat kasama kita dyan. So, para bang tinatakot kami na anytime pwede kami isama tapos i-export, di ba? So,
Sir, last na lang.